Okay, welcome back to our YouTube channel Technology Classes, friends. Okay, good morning to one and all. So in this video, now I would like to explain one important information to you. That is, since from the 1 month and 1.5 the month, we all are hearing in the papers and YouTube channels and some other resources. We are hearing that so many organizations and so many institutions and so many universities are providing e-learning courses for free of cost. Okay, so in this so in this way only the Tata Company is also providing a free courses for throughout Indian people. So those courses belong to the various departments like computer department, ECE department, EEE department, mechanical, aeronautical, and so many types of departments like civil also. So here we can see the banner. Okay, so for our convenience, I am maximizing this banner. There are 4 steps in here. There are nearly 6 steps we have to follow. So first we have to go to the website. This website I will provide in the description link so that you may be very easily going to that website and you can register. So first we have to register and select the course and add to the cart and do the payment. So here the course cost is only 1 rupee. Yes, so here they are providing the course for the just 1 rupee only. So next we will receive the email within 24 hours of purchasing and access our course. Okay, so what is the main motive? So okay, so here we can see the what is the main motive to watch these videos or to go to this course. So here in the second slide you can see that, do you want to be an employee? Ready? So we offer a courses which can be great enable for you. So this means, so in this scenario, so many people like to learn so many courses, but they could not learn because in the previous days it may be 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, and some 5,000, 10,000 also. So in this lockdown pandemic period, so these companies and some of the great and main companies are providing the free courses. So here we can see what are the courses we can learn. Okay, first we can go to the menu. So first we have to go to home page. In the home page you can have here courses tab. We can go down and we can have the courses tab. Okay, so in the so now in the second tab we can have the we can see this in the screen. So many courses catalog has been displayed. Something industry and TQM, and these belong to the mechanical and civil and EEE departments. And so here we can see the wiring also. So many people like to know how to give the wiring and what are the symbolic representation of that wiring. For example, red color means what to do, and blue color, black color, and yellow color what we have to do. So that, like for a computer department also we have so many courses like MS Office and Advanced Excel. Okay, so for example we can see that machine learning also available. So nowadays we all people know what is the importance of machine learning. And so let's see one course, what is the time period and what is the last date to register. Okay, so once go to the course name called as now I am opening this course Advanced Excel. So here some description has been given. So here this description belongs to the course, and this course cost, you can see here, course fees is 1 rupee and the course duration is 4 hours, valid up to 30th April. Valid up to 30th April means, so within 10 days this offer will be closed. means after April 30th this course will be some 1000 rupees or 1500 rupees maybe. So here what we have to do means we have to tap and add to course, and next here we have to sign up. So sign up with our Gmail account or our personal mobile number also. So let's tap on the sign up. So here sign up button means it will come like this. So fill the form like name, middle name, last name, and gender, and select a date of birth, and your mobile number, email ID, nationality, and the college name or industry you are working, that name, and select your branch or department, and what is your qualification. Okay, so here, so next here tab is whether you are a student or an industrial employee or a teacher. So we have to select that, and we have to select one password, and we have to set the password, and next finally we have to click in I am not a robot and just sign up. So in the next tab what will be happen means the payment page will be open. So in that payment page, so you can select a Paytm or any Google Pay or any debit card, credit card. You can pay the 1 rupee, and then as I said in the before, the login and ID, password, credentials will be created within a 24 hours, and mail will be coming to your mail ID to activate your course. So in this manner you can activate and you can enjoy your course, and at a time you can register for 3 or 4 courses also. And friends, thank you for watching my video, friends. And friends, if you have any queries, so please don't hesitate to put a comment. So because if you put the comment only, then only I can improve my videos. And if you are watching this video for the first time and you are not subscribed to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and tap on the bell symbol, so that friends, you will be getting all the notifications which are the videos uploaded by me. Okay, thank you for watching my video, friends.